Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names. The first one is a lioness. Lioness is a wild animal. The next one is gorilla. This is gorilla. Alligator. This is alligator. A leopard. Leopard. The next one is a rhino. A lion. A lion is the king of forest. The next one is a panda. The next one is a farm animal.